So I want to talk to you about cosmetic dentistry because I feel like people want, a really beautiful smile, and sometimes veneers look really nice. So I want to know, do you guys do that?
Yes, we do veneers also. Cosmetic dentistry, I'm glad you talk about it because yes, well, smile is the first thing when you meet people notice. If you have a great smile, you have more confidence. And I believe in that, changing lives with great smile. So we do veneers. We have different types of veneers. Means that depending on case to case, I choose what type of veneer material I'm going to use for this patient. So depending on that, we have something called feldspathic veneers, which are really cosmetic, really natural looking. I believe in really natural looking teeth, not really super white like the old times. And then depending on how much gum is showing through, what's your lip profile, what's your gum profile, what's the shape of the face, all these we kind of have to make a study. We take pictures, and digitally I kind of combine my patient pictures and with the teeth pictures, and we have different set of teeth shape. And I put those teeth shape into the patient's smile just to check how it's looking. So before we go ahead and start doing the treatment, we do all these type of minor steps just to make sure when it comes out, my patient should be happy with it. And every day when she looks in the in the mirror, she is like, oh, I got that smile, Hollywood smile.
Right. So you actually have technology that you could take a picture of my face.
Yes.
And I can test out different future smiles that I would have.
Yes, it's quite actually simple. We have templates. We call them as a templates. These are pre-made templates where these are different shapes. And it's basically, I can also zoom in and out with the color of the teeth on that template, whether you want more lighter color or darker color, depending on that. And I just take your picture, put over there, and bring my template on your teeth. And with that, we can play it around, whether you want more bigger teeth, smaller teeth, more whiter, less. It's called kind of smile design.
Oh, okay. That's cool. So before we even do anything, I can already see what my finished smile is going to look like.
Yes, I would say 80%, but eventually naturally when we do the actual work, gonna be even more better than that.
Wow, I can't even imagine how much better that would be. So what other kinds of veneers do you do? Because you mentioned one kind earlier. Can you go over maybe some different kinds?
Yes, so first of all, depending on I have to study your bite. Depending on the bite, I have to see how much reduction I have to do on your teeth, because veneers is like how you get a fake nail on your nails, acrylic nails.
Yeah.
Similar to that, it goes on top of the teeth, so we don't have to reduce it much. I believe in less reduction if needed. And then if your bite requires more reduction, then we need a little bit more stronger type veneers. So depending on the thickness, we select the different types of, there are porcelain, there are feldspathic, there are Emax, all these, there are ceramics. All these veneers are selected depending on the thickness, depending on the texture, depending on the natural looking. So I select differently from my patient to patient.
Oh wow, that's cool. I had no idea there were that many different kinds.
Yes.
At the end of you doing somebody's full smile and they went from not confident, shy, scared, didn't want to go to functions, didn't want to go out in society, to now you've done their smile, have you had those reactions from patients where they're like, oh
yes.
my gosh, how do you feel about that?
I feel really proud, really, really proud. I feel like it was worth it to become a dentist. That's how I feel, and that was the most proudest moments of my careers, when the patient comes and they get the smile they want, and most of the time patient cry of happiness, because they have to live with that. They've been missing that part for so long, which they didn't realize that they thought they're never gonna get it, and now they achieved it, and we worked it together to achieve it, and that's a proud moment for me also.